Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. In Scrum, sprint review and sprint retrospective are two important events that happen at the end of every sprint. Because they happen close to each other, many teams get confused, but their purpose is completely different. Let's clearly understand the difference. At the end of a sprint, we first have the sprint review. Now, sprint review is conducted to inspect the product increment and gather feedback from stakeholders. The main focus here is the product. The Scrum team demonstrates what was built during the sprint and explains what is working and what's not. Stakeholders actively participate, ask questions, and share feedback based on business needs and market expectations. Based on this discussion, the product backlog may be updated with new ideas, changes, or priorities. So remember, sprint review is all about product and future direction. After the sprint review, we conduct the sprint retrospective. Sprint retrospective is conducted to inspect how the team worked during the sprint. The focus here is the process and the team, and not the product demo. Only the Scrum team attends this meeting. The team reflects on the sprint and openly discusses what went well, what did not go well, and what can be improved. The goal is to identify clear improvement actions that the team will try in the next sprint. This helps the team continuously improve the way they work together. Now let's compare them side by side. Sprint review focuses on the product while retro focuses on the process. Sprint review includes stakeholders while retro includes only the Scrum team. Sprint review is about demo and feedback while retro is about reflection and improvement. The review may update the product backlog while retro creates improvement action items. To summarize, sprint review improves the product and sprint retrospective improves the team. Both are essential for delivering value and ensuring continuous improvement in Scrum. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gave you some useful insights on how review is different from retro.